Hello and welcome to the Premier OpSpot. This is Cassie and welcome to my Honeybook demo series. This series is designed to help service providers like you see the back end of Honeybook with all the different features and the user experience so you can make an informed decision of whether or not it's right for you. So in this video, we're going to talk about Honeybook's amazing upload service. So with any membership or subscription to Honeybook, you get to upload your business files and Honeybook will load them into the system for you. So you can see when you first log in with a new account, you have this option here to upload your business files. So we're going to click upload files. And then now we're going to say start account setup. Now, what you can do is you have all these different facts down here. So all you do is fill out this form and upload any materials that you want to be loaded into your Honeybook. You can upload things like contracts, existing brochures or proposals, or anything that has the listing out of your items and pricing. If you also have questionnaires, you can also, let's say you're using Google Forms, you can export those questions and send them into Honeybook for them to load on as well. And yes, the great part is it is free. It's a one-time service, so make sure that you are prepared before you come in here. But it's very simple. They usually take about a week to get everything converted into Honeybook, but it's super simple and gives you a great jumping off point. Under this facts section here, it says that the service is available only for the first 14 days after you subscribe. But I have used it later than that. So if you happen to go a little bit past this, you might want to just reach out to their support using the little question mark button here. They're super helpful and very supportive. So I'm sure that if you have any issues with that, they will be able to help you. Now let's walk through what the account setup looks like. So we're going to click Start Account Setup. And then now you can see up here along the top are the different documents that you can upload. So I'm not going to go all the way through this right now, but essentially you just upload services for each section, upload questionnaires, go next, upload contracts, and walk all the way through. And then once you're done, you'll submit it. And then Honeybook, like I said, will add everything in for you. So it's super easy, super fast, saves you a lot of time. I always recommend, especially with contracts, that you send these into Honeybook. When you do it manually, it takes a lot of time to get all of the smart fields into the contract. So this is the one that I always recommend people send into Honeybook right off the bat. If you have any questions about how this service works or when you can use it and what you can upload, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you are a service provider and you're thinking you'd like some help getting your Honeybook set up, our team can help you with that. Feel free to go to my website at premieropspot.com and request a free consultation today.